everybody and happy Earth Week. My name is Katie McDonald and I'm an intern at UW-Madison's Office of Sustainability. I hope you're all doing well in this super crazy time, but we have a lot of awesome events virtually to keep up on, so check out our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SustainUW to keep up to date on what we've been doing and what we'll be doing for the rest of the week. So I'm super excited to be a part of our daily DIY series. So let's get started. So today what we're going to do is some super easy, simple, and sustainable skincare recipes. It's really easy, can make with limited ingredients. As you can see here, I have them all set out. So we're going to do two different things. First is a sugar lip scrub, and second is a honey citrus face mask. So let's start with the citrus lip scrub. The ingredients that you'll need are white sugar, as we have here, brown sugar, honey, and olive oil. So I'm just going to put it in this little ceramic cup thing that my mom has at home. And we just need a teaspoon of everything going into this. So I'm going to start with the sugars. So there we have our white sugar. Here we have our brown sugar. Let's get our honey. Honey's a little hard because it's sticky to get out, but. And then we have our olive oil. Alright, so once we have that all in whatever container that you decide to use, I'm just going to use the teaspoon thing to mix it, but you can use whatever you want. And we're just going to mix it thoroughly until it kind of just looks like this thick, it's all going to kind of look like brown sugar with like jelly almost. So we're just going to mix that all together and see, it kind of just looks, it's this weird consistency, but. So then all you need to do is take some of this and we're going to rub it on our lips in circular motions until they're feeling super smooth and exfoliated. It looks a little funny, I know. Okay, so once you feel good about that, all you have to do is rinse it off with warm water, and then you're set to go with your super awesome smooth lips. All the leftovers, I'll wash this off after the video, but all the leftovers you can put in a container, whether it's just an old makeup container that you might have, a mason jar or what have you. If you want to keep it, which we encourage because zero food waste is sustainable, but otherwise you can just rinse it down the drain. And as you see here, no packaging, all ingredients that can be found in most kitchens. So you're reusing a lot of things. Okay, so I washed off my lip scrub. My lips are feeling smooth and awesome. So the next thing that we're gonna do is like the simplest face mask that I've ever done, but literally all you need is honey and orange juice. It's a honey citrus mask, obviously, and this is just going to help make your skin kind of light up a little bit, have that natural glow, and obviously again it's using common kitchen items, so you don't have the waste of those single-use face masks that you put on, and they're super easy to find. So all you need again are honey and orange juice, and then we have our tablespoon and our 4th cup measuring cup. So what we're going to start with is we're going to do 3 tablespoons of the orange juice. I'm just going to use this little glass bowl here. So we'll get 1, 2, maybe I'll do a little less, 3. So once we have the orange juice, I'm gonna let that sit, and then a 4th cup of honey, and I'm running a little low on honey, so hopefully we have enough to make this. But so essentially you just really want to fill that 4th cup as much as you can. I'm probably gonna end up using the rest of this bottle, but that's okay. Okay. That seems like the end of it. Almost a 4th cup, so we're just gonna go with it. But if you can get a full 4th cup, that's what you should do. Again, honey is sticky, so a little harder to get out. So I'm just gonna use my teaspoon here. Okay. So we'll set that aside, and then we're just going to mix this all together. Then you're just going to spread on your face really light layers, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, however long you want, and go from there. So as you can see, it's pretty thin, but we're just gonna spread it on our face really smooth, light. And it's clear, like you're not gonna see it on your face, so don't worry about that. So then if you want to set your timer, just like loosely look at the clock, that's awesome too. But yeah, 10 to 15 minutes, and then just wash off with warm water and a face towel, and you're good to go. You can follow with a moisturizer if you'd like. But other than that, super simple, easy recipes here. Hope you had fun today. Thanks for watching, and have fun with the rest of Earth Week. Bye!